All right, let's jump into a topic that's everywhere you look these days. AI at work.
It's unavoidable.
It really is. And look, we're not wading into sci-fi territory here, robots taking over, at least
Yeah.
not yet. We're talking the here and now, how AI is already changing how we work right this minute. And to do that, we're going deep on some insights from Tetra. They're living and breathing AI every day in their work.
Yeah, and what struck me right away from their research is this kind of dot split reaction to AI. They found this optimism gap. 62% of leaders are gung-ho about AI's potential, but
Wow.
only 42% of frontline workers
Yeah.
share that enthusiasm. That's a big
It's
difference.
huge. So it's almost like two separate conversations about AI are happening at the same time. Why do you think that is?
I think a lot of it boils down to experience. Leaders, they
Yeah.
see the big picture. To them, AI is a tool. Streamline operations, boost efficiency, maybe even juice profits a bit.
Right. You're right.
But for folks on the front lines, the ones actually doing the work, it's way more personal.
Yeah.
There's uncertainty, even fear mixed in there. What happens to my job, my skills if a machine can do it? Do I become obsolete?
It's the big question. Yeah,
Exactly. And those are totally valid concerns that don't always make it into the hype cycle.
for sure. And to their credit, Tetra acknowledges that some of the wilder AI stuff we hear about, it's still a ways off. They're not sugarcoating it.
I appreciate that about them. And what I find refreshing is they focus on what's asterisk working right now. Like they've got this AI assistant, Kai, that's a perfect example. AI doing real work, making a difference today.
Okay, so let's talk about Kai. For those of us who aren't, tech wizards, what asterisk is asterisk it? How does it actually work? Because AI assistant can sound pretty vague.
Sure, so think of Kai as a teammate, but AI powered, specifically there to help knowledge managers.
Okay.
And now knowledge management, that might sound fancy, but really it's about organizing and sharing info within a company. Those internal wikis, FAQs you never read, documents that are supposed at asterisk, to help everyone find what they need.
Oh, I know asterisk, exactly asterisk what you mean, and I can already see where this is going. Those things can be black holes if they're not kept up to date.
You got it. And that's asterisk where Kai comes in. It takes a lot of the tedious tasks off knowledge managers' plates, answering the same questions over and over, tagging content accurately, even predicting what people might ask asterisk before asterisk they ask it based on their searches.
So it's like having a superpowered intern who actually asterisk enjoys asterisk wrangling information. Where do I sign up?
Right. It's huge for efficiency, for accuracy. But here's the key takeaway. Kai isn't asterisk replacing asterisk the knowledge manager. It's making them asterisk better asterisk. It's giving them back time and energy to focus on the more strategic stuff.
So working smarter, not harder, basically.
Exactly. And Kai is just one example. Tetra actually outlines nine asterisk key areas where AI is already reshaping work as we know it.
9 areas. Okay, we've got to dig into that. Kai is one thing. But what about the bigger picture? What are some of the other ways AI is impacting jobs, industries? Give us the lay of the land.
Well, one area that might surprise some folks is learning and development. And I don't just mean AI automating tasks, but really changing how we learn, how we grow.
Now, it's interesting. I get AI scheduling my meetings, but could it actually help me, level up my skills?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Think about it. AI could create a personalized learning plan just for you. It would consider your skills now, your career goals, even your learning style. And it could track industry trends, recommend courses to keep you ahead of the game.
So basically, a personal career coach available 24/7.
You got it.
Okay, that's wild. So we've got AI handling knowledge management, transforming learning. What else is on Tetra's list?
Another big one is hiring. Talent management in general, really. AI is already being used to look at resumes for bias, which is helping companies build more diverse teams. And remember when we were talking about employee churn earlier?
Yeah.
AI can actually analyze data and predict which employees might be thinking about leaving a company.
Whoa, seriously. So it's like an early warning system for employee satisfaction.
Exactly. It lets companies step in early, address any issues, maybe keep those valuable employees from walking out the door. It's all about being proactive, not reactive.
That's pretty amazing. Like AI gives companies this, I don't know, X-ray vision into what their employees are thinking and feeling. What else can AI do when it comes to talent management?
Well, we're also seeing AI being used in those performance review systems. The ones that often cause more stress than anything else.
Hmm.
Imagine a system that gives you feedback in real time, spots your skill gaps, even suggests personalized training to help you grow.
Okay, this is blowing my mind a little. It's not just automating things, it's using AI to make the work experience way more personalized. Like maybe it could even change how employees and their employers connect with each other.
Absolutely. And we're just scratching the surface here. We haven't even gotten to things like AI optimizing marketing, streamlining supply chains, even developing brand new products and
Mhm.
services.
Wow, 9 areas is right. We've covered a lot of ground. So AI is doing it all. Automating tasks, personalizing things, even predicting the future. But where does that leave asterisk us, the humans? What's our role in all of this?
Yeah.
I'll be honest, it's a little overwhelming. Like, we're excited about the potential, but there's this little voice in the back of my head. Are we ready for this? What if we're not?
Oh, that's totally natural. We're wired to be a little wary of the unknown, especially when it comes to how we make a living, right?
Yeah.
But here's the thing. Sitting around worrying about it won't change a thing.
Okay, so what asterisk should asterisk we be doing? How do we get past that AI anxiety?
Knowledge is a good place to start. The more we understand about AI, how it works, what it can and asterisk can't asterisk do,
Hmm.
the less scary it becomes. That's kind of the whole point of this deep dive. But even beyond that, it's about adaptation. We talked about how AI is going to automate a lot of those routine tasks we all deal with.
Which, honestly, for a lot of us would be a huge weight off our shoulders.
Exactly. But the flip side of that is we got to double down on the skills that are truly human,
Yeah.
the creativity, the critical thinking, the problem solving,
Yeah.
things AI, at least for now, just can't do.
So it's about leaning into our strengths, not trying to out-robot the robots. But what does that actually look like day to day?
It starts with a mindset shift. We got to become lifelong learners, always adding to our skills, staying curious. It's not enough anymore to just be good at your asterisk job. Asterisk. You got to be adaptable, a fast learner, ready for anything.
It's like that saying, the only constant is change. But AI kicks that into overdrive.
That's exactly. And the folks who get comfortable with that, with constantly learning and evolving, they're the ones who are going to thrive in this new world of work.
This has been incredible. Seriously, we've covered so much ground today. But if there's one big takeaway you want our listeners to walk away with, what would it be?
Don't be afraid of the future. Run towards it. AI is a tool, a powerful one, but it's asterisk, our asterisk tool.
Right.
It's up to us to decide how we use it, make sure it benefits everyone. The more we know, the more power we have to shape that future.
Perfectly said. So embrace the unknown, everyone. Get curious and explore the possibilities. And remember, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to help us do more, be more. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into AI at work.